Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and today we will discuss about what is the size reduction and what are the pharmaceutical application of the size reduction. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. What is the definition of size reduction? The size reduction is defined as the process of reducing particle size of a substance to a finer state of subdivision to smaller pieces to coarse particles or to powder is known as size reduction. In simple words, the process where we reduce the particle size of any substance is known as size reduction process. What are the other names or terms which are used for the size reduction process? The size reduction is also known as comminution. The size reduction is also known as grinding process or milling process. Now we will discuss what are the pharmaceutical application of the size reduction. Size reduction increase the surface area of drugs which help in rapid solution formation. In this topic, you will see two abbreviations. One is the PS. PS stand for particle size, and next one will be the SR, mean size reduction. So next one is that particle size reduction facilitates the extraction process. Mean when we reduce the particle size, surface area is increased, and due to increased surface area, the extraction process for certain crude drugs is enhanced. Next one is that therapeutic effectiveness of certain drug is increased by the size reduction. SR stand for size reduction. Reduced particle size, PS mean particle size. Reduced particle size ensure uniform solid mixing, mean when we want to mix two solid substances and if they have large particle size, mean lumps are formed in these solids, it will be difficult to ensure uniform mixing. But when we reduce the particle size by using a suitable sieve, then it is very easy and to ensure the uniform mixing of these solid particles or solid contents. Next one is that SR, size reduction, play important role in tablet manufacturing. You are familiar that different type of sieving processes are used during the tablet manufacturing. Emulsion stability is increased by the size reduction process. In suspension, size reduction also play an important role. If particle size is very large, they will tend to settle down on the bottom. Next one is the physical appearance of ointments, creams and paste is improved by the size reduction. Rate of drug absorption is increased by the size reduction. As we discussed, size reduction increase the surface area, so it facilitates the dissolution process of the drugs. Next one is that drying time is also reduced by reducing the particle size. When we reduce the particle size, surface area is increased and drying time is decreased. By reducing particle size, the bulk density of certain drug is increased. So it was all about the pharmaceutical applications of the size reduction. I hope now you are familiar what is the size reduction, which other names are used for the size reduction, and what are the pharmaceutical applications of the size reduction. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz. In the next video, we will discuss what is the trituration, what is levitation and what is the pulverization.